Okay, we're asked to find the greatest common factor of 40 and 60. So one way to do that is to just factor both 40 and 60. I'm going to use a factor tree like I did in another video. So 2 goes into 40 20 times. So I'm going to factor 20 as 2 times 10, and finally 10 as 2 times 5. So that tells me that 40 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Let's do the same thing for 60. You can factor 60 into 2 times 30. 30 is 2 times 15, and 15 is 3 times 5. So 60 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. And again, the way I'm getting these numbers is I'm taking all of these prime factors at the end of my factor tree, and that's my factorization. Okay, so the greatest common factor, or sometimes GCF, you may hear it, is going to be whatever they have in common, the greatest numbers that they share. So they both have a factor of 2, they both have a factor of another 2, and they both have a factor of 5, but they don't share this last set of numbers. So their greatest common factor is the product of the circled numbers, 2 times 2 times 5. So the greatest common factor is 4 times 5, or 20, and so our correct choice is choice B. A common mistake students make is to write down each of these numbers twice. We don't know that. We don't do that because, of course, we're just looking for which ones they have in common. So I've circled 2 numbers here to show that these are in common, but the common factor itself is just the number 2 here, times 2 times 5.